gate.
The platform is clear. Now enjoy your ride to the ruins of Pompeii.
5.3K. Here we go.
Oh, we aren't because the water's going to end up when we get up there.
It is a water ride here at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. Summer 2025 recording.
Well, I'm excited. I don't think you get wet on this ride that much.
Sometimes you do.
Last time we went, I was on the edge and this entire house got so wet.
You get hot.
Yeah, it's like fire. Yeah, it's fire. I smell like
Trying to catch you on fire.
I know I was in the same seat as you last time, right? And I was like, oh my gosh, it's so hot. Yeah, like the sun is hot enough, but then they have to get hot. I know, and in the middle of June, I just wanted a water ride.
Well,
If they had no roof and they had the sun beating inside. Oh my god. If they had, I bet I can feel this it from here.
That time it cooled me off. That was good.
I got the soak I want. I wanted this soak. Can't poke at me. I'm half fine halfway.
That was it. Escape from Pompeii.
Wait, want to go with the other one?
Not a coaster, but a great ride. This TV up here. That was it.
Sporting guests, please step carefully into the roads directly in front of you and secure all your personal items in the ride with you.
Please like and subscribe to my channel.